Hi Dons, today we're going to talk about using limiters in your research strategy. We will identify what limiters are available when searching with Fusion and apply them to filter our results, bringing back articles that will fulfill any of the research assignment criteria. Are your searches yielding too many results, or is a professor calling for a specific type of research? Limiters help to refine the search results to your needs, making sure your sources are timely, relevant, and trustworthy. You can filter your results to only get peer-reviewed journal articles, get rid of anything that's too dated if your topic is relevant to recent years, or anything in a different language. There's no limit to how many limiters you can apply, but if you narrow your search too far, there may not be enough resulting articles to use. These filtering options are often located on the database search page on the results list as drop-down menus or checkboxes, or sometimes on the advanced search page with a database or online catalog. Fusion will already have a limiter enabled, restricting your search results to items that are available in the USF library collection. Some databases even have specialized limiters that allow you to refine by other criteria than the common ones we see using Fusion. Try playing around with the limiters to adjust your results. Which ones were the most useful to you? If you're finding your search results are not quite what you're looking for, check out our other videos, or if you need more help with your research strategy, ask a librarian. We're here in person via 24/7 chat, email, and phone to help answer your questions, or visit the reference librarians at the library.